Hello everyone, I'm back. It's Imani Ross. I'm not sure why it shows so dark on my laptop, but here I go doing a cover to We Can't Be Friends. To just act like we never were, to come around and not show her. How dare we agree by shaking hands just months ago? I was your man, was your man. Verbally we'd agreed it was over and we were through. I'm trying to compose myself, but I just can't get over you. No, can't be friends. No, we can't ever. You know I can't go on being just your friend. Oh, 'cause I'm still in love with you. Oh, I went by Mother's, saw your car there. To her, you're still family, and it don't seem fair for everyone to just go on. And I tried and I can do it, 'cause I'm still torn. I tried to think of you as just another love in the past, but it's not that simple, baby. We can't be friends. No. We, if we can't be lovers, we, 'cause I'm still in love. You may see me staring or catch me in a day. May see me hang my hand when you come my way. Don't get too close to me and expect me to behave. I might just steal a kiss if you come near my face. What I'm trying to say, oh, I never ever found another love like you. I love you too much. I love you too much. Oh, we can't be friends. I'm still in love, still